Internet. Today I'm going to show you how to very quickly add cells in Excel. So I've got this spreadsheet here with all these figures going across, and I want to get a total for whatever reason. All I'm going to do is go here to, let's find a good place. Alright, let's start right here. So I'm going to first insert a column where I'm going to put my totals. Put a header here. And then there's a couple ways I can do it. The easiest way, well, the simplest way, it's definitely not the easiest way, is I can do equals. We always open formulas in Excel with equals, and I can do equals P5, it'll highlight that cell, plus O5 plus M5, and so on, and that'll give me a total. There's a much quicker way to do that, which is just equal sum. Tell it I want to do a sum, and then I just open parentheses. And again, I could do it like this. I could do P5 plus N5 plus O5. And that saves me a little bit of typing. Or I can do it the even faster way. I'm going to leave this formula here and just get rid of these specific cell references. Maybe. My mouse. There we go. So then, instead I'm just going to click here in my first cell and drag across to where I want to start adding. Right here's the first cell I want to add. So now I've got this sum D5 through P5. This D5 colon P5 tells it sum all the values in cells D5 through P5. I hit enter. There we go. Here's our whole total. And if I want to apply this to the whole spreadsheet, I can just click and drag it down as far as I want to go. There we go. There are all my totals.